From Leonardo da Vinci's flying sketches to today's global air travel, the history of aviation is a story of courage, innovation, and unstoppable ambition. In 1903, the Wright brothers achieved what humanity had only dreamed of: flight. In Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, their aircraft, the Flyer, flew for just 12 seconds, but it changed everything. At first, flying was experimental, but soon, aircraft became tools of strategy. During World War I, airplanes were used for reconnaissance and later for combat. The first aerial dogfights were born, intense one-on-one battles in the skies. Among the most famous pilots was the Red Baron, Manfred von Richthofen, who shot down over 80 enemy planes before being killed in action. In the 1920s and 30s, civil aviation took flight. Airlines emerged, and pilots became national heroes. In 1927, Charles Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic alone in his plane, Spirit of St. Louis, a stunning achievement that captured the world's imagination. In 1932, Amelia Earhart became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic. Her courage and mysterious disappearance in 1937 while attempting to circle the globe made her a lasting legend. During World War II, aviation played a decisive role. Legendary aircraft like the British Spitfire, the American P-51 Mustang, and the German Messerschmitt dominated the skies. The war ended with two devastating air missions: the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, carried out by the Enola Gay and Boxer. That same year, the Cold War began. Air superiority became critical. In 1947, Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier in the Bell X-1, ushering in the supersonic era. The 1950s and 60s brought the rise of commercial jet aviation, with planes like the Boeing 707 shrinking the world. On the military side, the B-52 Stratofortress could carry nuclear weapons across continents and fly for over 10 hours. In 1958, the US founded NASA, linking aviation to space exploration. Many early astronauts were test pilots, like Neil Armstrong, who flew experimental planes before walking on the moon. During the Vietnam War, aviation shaped battlefield strategy. Helicopters like the Huey became symbols of the conflict. The first unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, began to appear for surveillance. Technology continued evolving. Fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II introduced stealth and precision. The Stake Route 71 Blackbird, flying at over Mach 3, redefined high-speed reconnaissance. Civil aviation advanced too. In 2005, the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger plane, took flight. Meanwhile, companies like SpaceX began developing tech that blends air travel and spaceflight. Today, drones are everywhere, used in agriculture, delivery, surveillance, and war. Supersonic travel is returning, and flying taxis are already being tested. From canvas wings to stealth jets, from daring pioneers to AI-driven aircraft, aviation has not just changed how we move, but how we connect, explore, and even fight. The human story in the sky is far from over. In fact, it's just taking off. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for more content.